Honorable Vice Premier and Honorable members of Chinese delegation, members of Pakistani delegation, it's really a great pleasure to witness this signing ceremony of some very important memorandum of understanding. And Excellency, we are extremely grateful to you for taking the time to visit Pakistan to celebrate our 10 years of CPAC. 10 years ago, CPAC was signed between Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif and President Xi Jinping, and it was put into implementation even before the ink was dry. And that is why today we can claim that under CPAC, more than $25 billion worth investment took place in power sector, road infrastructure, hydropower sectors, and public transport. I have no doubts that we are entering into second phase of CPAC, and today we have signed certain important documents which will further enhance our economic cooperation, and we will undertake second phase of CPAC under a new model. It will be between B2B, it will be investments in agriculture, in information technology, so that Pakistan, through Chinese cooperation and support, is able to export its items according to the requirement and standards of Chinese government. I am extremely grateful to my dear President, President Xi, for sending you as a special envoy to Pakistan and show great solidarity of people-to-people friendship between the two countries, showing to the world that both the countries are wedded into a relationship which is unique in this world. We are friends, all-weather friends, ardent brothers, and this friendship will continue and will not tolerate any kind of obstacle in its way.
尊敬的何立峰副总理阁下，各位中方和巴方的代表团成员，非常荣幸能够见证一系列重要文件的签署。何副总理阁下，我感谢您抽出时间访问巴基斯坦，并庆祝中巴经济走廊10周年。10年前，谢里夫总理和习近平主席共同签署了中巴经济走廊的协议。当时协议上的签字的墨水还没有干，就已经开始落实了这一个倡议。中巴经济走廊为巴基斯坦带来了超过250亿美元的投资，而且也促进了电力、交通、基础设施、工业园区等方面的合作和项目。现在我们正在进入中巴经济走廊的第2阶段。今天我们所签署的重要的合作文件，将会推动两国之间的经济合作，也将会推动我们在新模式下进行的第2阶段的中巴经济走廊，更加关注农业投资、信息技术等领域。巴方非常感谢中方与巴方的合作和给予的支持，我们也将努力去将 符合中国政府标准和要求的产品更多的出口向中国。我非常的感谢习近平主席派遣您和副总理来作为他的特别代表来到伊斯兰堡，并展现两国人民之间的友好和团结，也向世界展示我们两国之间的关系是世界上独一无二的，我们是全天候的朋友和铁杆兄弟，我们的友谊是会为两国做出贡献，而且我们不会允许任何方面进行阻挠。
Your Excellency, we are absolutely ready to contribute towards President Xi Jinping's vision of shared destiny of progress and prosperity. ML1 is a very important project. Karachi circular railway system is a very important project, and I have no doubts that together in time to come we will successfully achieve these projects and many other, and make Pakistan stand on its own feet through sacrifice, hard work and untiring efforts. It is Chinese model, it is President Xi's model, and we will emulate it under the vision of our late Quaid-e-Azam, founder of Pakistan, and promote prosperity and peace in this country. Thank you very much once again for your visit, and I hope you will have a very enjoyable stay. Thank you.
我